Hello traders, today we want to discuss a live day trading using the Elliott wave principle. Alright, so we have here, if you agree with my wave count, you see there was a consolidation in this session here. Okay, on the 3-minute time frame, I'm on the 3-minute time frame. So consolidation, here we are, consolidation, and then boom. This is the first Elliott wave right here. The wave that will push the price, okay, out of the consolidation zone. First wave, followed by a second Elliott wave, a complex a second wave has ended right here. And we have also the third Elliott wave, which is also a complex a third Elliott wave, and then we have the fourth Elliott wave, and here we are, we have the fifth Elliott wave has ended here. All right, now I'm looking for an opportunity to sell the dollar-yen currency pair using the Elliott wave principle. All right, here we are. So we have first wave. So if you like, I can color them into pink so everybody can see my wave count. First wave, second wave right there. Oops, it's not very clear. You have second wave, and we have here the third Elliott wave, also in pink, followed by hold on please traders. Followed by the fourth Elliott wave on the 3-minute time frame. Now we have the fifth Elliott wave right there. All right, now we are looking for an opportunity to sell this currency pair after 5 move up. First wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, and the fifth wave. Well, you can see that I placed on my chart the pitchfork tool. All right, by connecting, you can see I choose 3 points: the low of the first wave, the high of the first wave, and the low of the second wave. Okay, some trader may say, George, why don't you put it like this? Why don't you put your pitchfork tool here? Well, let's try that and see what will happen. Hold on please traders, hold on please. Oops, okay, put it like this. Okay, let's put it here for now, doesn't matter, because it's a complex second wave. The price now, we are here now, so we have our fifth wave there. All right, one more thing, going to remove my pitchfork tool for a second, and I'm going to draw another pitchfork tool in a different way, because I'm looking for the best place to sell this currency pair on the edge. All right. All right, let's remove the pitchfork tool. All right, all right. Let's connect the low of the second wave and the low of the fourth wave. With that, we can find a good place to sell. This is the trend line connecting the low of the second wave, oops, and the low of the fourth wave. So what has happened now, the price on this 3-minute time frame, the price D below that trend line, see here, this trend line connecting the low of the second wave, where the second wave has ended, and the low of the fourth wave. And now what the price has done, the price break below that low and retest it here, try to retest it here, and now it's coming down. So I can sell it now. We need to be a little bit careful. All right, we need to be very, very careful. Going to place my limit order at 10477. Boom, it's now filled. That order is now filled. You can see that it's touched. Pew. Bye bye. Okay. Nice one. All right, very beautiful. That's the way we want it. That's the way it should be every day. All right, but it's not always like this. So now I'm in this trade selling the USD yen, the US dollar, Japanese yen at 10477. I need to place my stop loss, and I'm going to use a tiny stop loss, 177. 7 pips. Okay, place my stop loss just a little bit here, right here. 10 pips. That's nice place to place my stop loss at 10487. Okay, 1 second, please. Using a 10 pips for my hold on, please. I want to color that into red also. Boom, that's my stop loss. Have other lines because I recorded a video today that are titled Live Day Trading using a Fibonacci butterfly pattern. That video has been posted and will be posted at Day Pro Traders YouTube channel. So stay tuned. If you are a subscriber of Day Pro Trader YouTube channel, check out that video. I will be posting that video that we title Live Day Trading using the Fibonacci butterfly pattern. But now, the topic that we are discussing here is a live day trading using the Elliott wave principle. So I've sold it now at 10477 using okay, my stop loss using 10 pip stop loss. Okay, that's my stop loss, 10 pip at 10487, entry at 10477. I'm going to change the color of that red line, this one here, because it's another key level that I want to keep my eyes on like an eagle. So here it is, entry 10477, stop loss 10 pip 10487. After counting first wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, fifth wave. I need to remind traders that this video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy any financial instrument. Okay. So this is my wave count on a 3-minute time frame following our guideline. A consolidation was in place. Now we see a breakout on a 3-minute time frame. Price pull back, a complex second wave. A third wave, also a complex third wave, followed by a tiny fourth wave, and a fifth wave is now completed here. Now the price breaks below the trend line connecting the low of the second wave and the fourth wave. It breaks below it first time and retest it here. Some traders sold it. I was not okay the first person to sell. So some people are selling. I noticed that they are selling. I joined them to sell, and I'm using only 10 pip. I need to tell traders my strategy for this trade. If they take me out of this trade, I will come back again and sell it for the second time. And now in all cases, I will be using 10 pip stop loss. So this is my first trade now, using 10 pip. If it happens to be a losing trade, I will look for another chance to sell for the second time, and I will use again 10 pips. All right, very simple. So let's go a little bit deeper into this, because we know that if the second Elliott wave, this is now a demonstration of what we have learned before. If the second wave has been prolonged, talking about the time it takes for the second wave to be completed, there is a high chance that the fourth wave will be shallow, will be quick. Okay, will be quick. Talking about the time it takes for the second wave to form. If it takes so long, there is a high probability that the fourth wave will be quick. Was it quick in comparison to the second wave? Yes, it was. So the wave principle has been verified here. There is something else that we need to pay attention to. We also know that let's apply now the Fibonacci extension to the first wave. So the third Elliott wave, when above which level? The 161.8% Fibonacci extension level. Therefore, we have an extended third Elliott wave. Yes or no? We have an extended third Elliott wave because the price breaks above the 161.8% Fibonacci extension level. All right. So this is the 161.8% Fibonacci extension level of the first wave. Going to remove that line. Now, using the Elliott wave principle, if the third Elliott wave is extended as it is here, there is usually equality between the first and the fifth wave. Talking about the length or the amplitude or the magnitude of the first wave. So this is the length of the first wave. This is the amplitude or magnitude of the first wave. But look here, something is bothering me. That's why I want to use 10 pips. So if they kick me out, I'm back again looking for another chance to sell for the second time. So a little bit of risk in this trade, because you can see that the fifth wave could not achieve the same length like the first wave. So there is no equality between the first and the fifth wave, though the third Elliott wave has been extended. And the Elliott wave principle stated that if the third Elliott wave is extended, there is a high probability that there will be equality between the first and the fifth. But here you can see that it couldn't. So that's why I need to be a little bit careful in case they push it back out to achieve equality. So I'm using 10 pips. Normally I would prefer to use 20 pips, but I'm splitting it in two. First trade, I'm taking it 10 pips. If they take me out, come back again and sell it again using 10 pips instead of using straight away 20 pips. All right, all right. So the equality is not verified. This is what we are talking about. So though the theory stated something, it doesn't mean that this is exactly what will happen, but there is a high chance that it may happen. All right. But where we are now, it did not happen unless they continue to push it up to this point. You see, that's what we are talking about. The Elliott wave count is dynamic, is one step at a time. Okay. Let's use now, so we use first the length of the first wave. This is the length of the first wave. Let's use now the magnitude of the first wave. So the magnitude of the first wave will bring also the price to the same zone almost. I'm dropping here my Coca-Cola can, so you can hear the noise. Can you hear that? All right. Yes, can you hear that? Okay. So now, so drink a lot of Coca-Cola, okay? Recording video for traders. So now the level that a lot of Elliott wave traders will be wondering why we do not have equality here. So therefore, I need to be aware of those traders that are demanding that we have equality, because they will expect the fifth wave to go all the way to 104.93. They will be expecting it to go all the way here. All right. So if they push it back all the way here, then we will have equality. But so far, it's stuck here. That's why I'm controlling the risk a little bit. So, okay. I don't give away straight away my 20 pips stop loss. I'm using 10 pips, split it in two. All right. Okay, so you see now this is a live, okay, Elliott wave trading. So while we have discussed talking about the classroom, the knowledge, by doing this live recording, we are trying to apply practically in live for day trading purposes using the Elliott wave to make okay day trading decisions. You see now, all right. So you may be wondering, John, why were you using the pitchfork tool? We use the pitchfork tool to determine when the correction has begun. But it's a little bit, okay, because you can see that the second wave has been extended, talking about the time it took for the second wave to be completed. So therefore, in that case, the pitchfork tool will be, in some cases, may not be very useful for us. We mentioned it also already in one of the videos that I recorded recently. Which one, my friend? I'm looking at my book. I have a book here. Every video that I record, I put the title and a description. All right. What is the title of that video? Simple. Oh, okay, that's not one. Yeah, here it is. Simple strategies. That's the title of the video that we have already posted at 24 Elliott Wave. Simple strategy to identify the start of Elliott wave correction. Simple strategy to identify the start of Elliott wave corrections. The prices are heading very close to my stop loss. It's now at, you can see here, 184.86. They're going to kick me out of that trade. All right. Boom. Out. A little bit more. Oops. Oh. Look at it. Oops. Whoops. Oh, no, my God. Well, should I move my stop? No, I'm not moving my stop loss. Quite close, quite close. Well, let's see what's going to happen here. So you have to understand what's going on here. A lot of traders wanted to achieve the equality between the first and the fifth wave. So this is what's going on now, right here. Well. Just boom. Well, let's see. Well, quite close, yeah, quite close. Sometimes you'll be taken out if the price comes close, depending on your broker. Yes. All right. Yes, we survived that. Whoops. All right, it's only 10p, but we are still in it. It's good. Quite close, yeah. So you have to understand what's going through the mind of other Elliott wave practitioners. They want to achieve the equality between the first and the fifth wave, and people want to buy it more. And this is happening sometime. But I want to show you, as I'm recording this, what's good, so that you see this now, what's going on when we are day trading. Now, why am I selling after counting 5 waves? Now, so it's not because we have counted 5 waves up, like I did here, that we should sell. There I have a trading setup. Okay, what is my trading setup? So what I will do, I will refer you to a video that I recorded today that I titled Live Day Trading Using Fibonacci Butterfly Pattern. That video, it has been posted at Day Pro Traders YouTube channel. So you want to be a subscriber of all our channel, because sometimes I record video on different channels, and so you may have continuity. So I'm referring you now to Day Pro Traders YouTube channel. So if you are subscribed there, you will learn Fibonacci patterns, Fibonacci replacement, Fibonacci extension. We can also learn to combine Fibonacci and Elliott waves. All right, you see, multi-talented trading. All right, so try to subscribe to all our channel so you may know what we are talking about. Okay, so on that channel we see a pattern, a Fibonacci pattern, a butterfly pattern on the 2-hour time frame. I will not make this video a butterfly pattern video. So we have a bullish trend. Then we have what we call XA. Then we have the A, B, C, D. Because the A, B went up to the zone of 78% Fibonacci extension level of SA. The first Fibonacci pattern that is coming to our mind is the butterfly pattern. That the price pull back, forming the BC. BC can be between 38.2% and 61.8% Fibonacci retracement of the AB. Now the C to D, this is D here, delta, that's my D here, C, D, will go up to the one between 1 to 7% and 161.8%, okay, Fibonacci extension level of the SA. So the first time that the pattern has been formed, the A, B, C, D, completing the bearish butterfly pattern here on a 2-hour time frame, people sold this currency pair, the dollar yen, and but the price did not go down very much after a bearish pattern is completed. The reason was that there were better resistance ahead, which I talked about before, one in the zone of 105 to 1, and the other one, the ultimate resistance, at 10600. So then the small money want to sell, they want to sell at the best place. So now the same pattern, that butterfly pattern, is now, after you see this move, it couldn't go down very much. We have what we call, so Fibonacci trade, earlier we traded, we said this will X. So butterfly pattern is completed, people try to sell, but price did not go down very much. For us, earlier we trade, we say X, all right? But call it S or call it whatever you like it, but this is Fibonacci pattern completed right here. They couldn't sell it very much. Then the price tried to go up a bit, but it couldn't. You can see this pullback. This is another butterfly pattern that's being formed now. Price went up first time. Now we have, this is a new XA, and this is okay, AB, all right, AB here went a little bit near the 78.6% Fibonacci, okay, retracement of SA, and then we have another BC between the 38.2% and the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement of AB. Now we are in the CD. So the pattern that we have seen here, A, B, C, D, the same pattern developing here, A, B, C, D. So the pattern is now at a target zone, is near the 127% Fibonacci extension level of the SA, completing the first target of the butterfly pattern. Remember that there is another target ahead, which is the 161.8% Fibonacci extension level of our new SA. Now, if you don't understand what I'm talking about here, you need to watch that video, Live Day Trading, using Fibonacci Butterfly Pattern at Day Pro Traders YouTube channel. So we have a bearish Fibonacci pattern that is being formed on a 2-hour time frame. All right, you see? Now, I went to that is my bearish trading setup. Okay? Price is at a target level, okay, target level for the bearish butterfly pattern. Now I went to the 3-minute time frame, and what do I see? I start counting Elliott wave. First wave, second wave, third wave, all right, third wave, fourth wave, and the fifth wave. Now I start applying the Elliott wave on a live chart. So here we are, the time in London is 3 p.m. in New York, 10 a.m. in New York on the 25th of August. Look at the time, look at the date, 25th of October, correction, 25th of October, 2016. All right. Okay, you see now? So this is a live recording, sticky now, see here. So that's why I decided to sell, okay, the dollar yen at 104.77. The multi-way is now completed. I connect the low of the second wave and the low of the fourth wave, drawing this trend line. Price breaks below it, retest it right here. I was not, this is, so if I refer to a trader quickly, if you allow me, there's a trader called Robert. He asked me a question, John, why sometimes you just place the trade to sell? So when I notice that I have a value trading setup and I see that other traders start selling first or buying first, I join them. In that case, I will place the price, I will place another limit order to buy straight away at a specific price. All right? But what I want to say also, this will come with more experience. So I cannot teach anybody how to do that. All I can do is I will say to you that with more experience, you'll be able to do that. Okay. I hope I have answered your question. Okay. If you are watching this video, let me know in the comment section whether you are satisfied with that answer. So you see the price tried to kick me out here quite close, but couldn't. Now they try to push it again. You see how close it came? I'm a survivor, all right? I'm a survivor, okay? So here we are. So here we are. So it's coming back down. But I'm quite relaxed about this trade because if they kick me out, I have another bullet in my gun, so to speak. Another 10 pip to use. So if they take me out, I will look for another chance to sell again, because I split my original stop loss, 20 pip, into two. All right. So far, I'm hanging in there. Hanging in there. All right. So now you know why I'm selling. It's not because I have counted 5 waves and I'm selling. There is, this is what we are saying all the time, find a high probability trading setup, then implement a top-down trading method to trade it. But what I'm doing here with the Elliott wave, I see a bearish Fibonacci pattern on the 2-hour time frame. Now I switch to the 3-minute time frame. So sometimes may say, Joe, you said before that wave validation, the 2-hour time frame should be 2 hours, divided by 22. The correct time frame will be exactly that, 120 minutes divided by 22 will be the corresponding time frame for the wave validation. But because you can see that I like too much the 3-minute time frame, I came to the 3-minute time frame to count the wave because of my training style. I like the 3-minute time frame. It's to spy on the 5-minute time frame traders. All right. So here we are. It's working great. Now that I am in this trade and I've survived the pressure that was pushed on me quite close, I'm going to set my profit target. So for that, I'll go to the 2-hour time frame where I have my training set down, and I want to see how much can I gain out of this trade. The good news is the primary 10 bar below my entry. I've drawn, you see the green, you can see a green channel on my chart here. See, this channel I've drawn in on the 3-minute time frame earlier on when I was recording that video about the butterfly pattern. So the price went to the edge of it. So it will be reasonable for me to demand that's 5.3, 24 pips. Yeah, 24 pips out of this trade. No, that's not good. We want to ask a little bit more. I will set my stop loss at I will set my profit target at 104.52. You see, I'm not greedy, isn't it? 104.52 profit target. Hold on, please, traders. Which color should I use now for my profit target? Can you see turquoise? The horizontal turquoise now? Can you see, my friend? Or do you need glasses? All right, you wear your glasses, please. You can see it's not very bright color, the turquoise, but I like it, all right? I like it very much. Boom, that's it. That's my target there. 104.52, demanding 25 pips out of this live Elliott wave trading. All right. Now, I need to explain to you what is happening here. All right. So I have my plan in place. They kick me out. I'll come back again, sell with another 10 pip. All right. Now, if it's going down and it's going down fast, which will be good, I will be, if it's coming near my target, I'll start moving my stop loss down to secure my gain. And if they are pushing it down, I'll move my stop loss down to secure my gain, and in order to maximize my profit. So it's all set now. So you understand why I'm entering the trade. As I told traders, I'm always following the trading drill. But the most important thing for us technical traders is the setup, the origin or the source of the trade. All right, the setup, and I have a setup, and now with the setup, I implement the area wave principle on a 3-minute time frame, and with the trend line, paying attention to the price action, break below retest. Some people were selling, all right, fast. Right below that trend line, you see, I'm talking about this candle here. You see this one. You break below, you see, this is the trend I'm talking about. You break below, try to retest it, and now they sell it down, okay? And I join them. So I'm not the first person to sell, okay? I am always innocent trader, all right? Somebody will sell first, and I join them. Somebody will buy first, then I join them. The reason why I do that, if I'm using a limit order like this to buy a specific price, I do that, okay? Then I just hide my stop loss behind, okay, those people, because they have those who sold it first have their stop loss somewhere here, and they will try to defend their position. All right, so like a soldier, you are holding a position. All right, somebody attack you, you will defend your position. If you attack a military camp, all right, which you should never do, all right, they will defend their camp. So I'm defending my position. So traders who are selling first will defend their position, placing their stop loss somewhere here, and I hide mine behind it. There's, I am always innocent trader. Okay, you can quote me on that day. Somebody will sell first, and then I'll join them. All right, so I don't, because in the past I was trading. What you do not want to do is to step all the time, okay, on the feet of the smart money. They don't like that. Okay, don't do that. Let them sell first, and then join them, and they will like you. Follow them. Don't criticize them. Okay, just flow with them. So all right, the timing now is 8 minutes past 3 p.m. in London. That's 8 minutes past 10 a.m. in New York. Live day trading using the Elliott wave principle. We have been talking for how long now? Trader want a video to be short. I've been talking for 32 minutes. Can you believe that? You did not feel it. You didn't feel it, yes or no? You didn't feel it. All right. So if you think that the video is too long, what you need to do is to consume it bit by bit. All right. I've been talking about the risk. Maybe I should have another channel where I show traders how they should behave on YouTube. That would be great channel. All right. So long form content should be consumed bit by bit, but those who do not have time, all right, so you can watch it 15 minutes, okay, then you pause it, and you can come back to it. If you are watching it on your smartphone, if you go back to the same video, YouTube will bring you exactly where you did stop, which is good, all right, then you continue to watch it. So I watch sometimes video up to 2 hours. You say, Joe, you have too much time. No, I watch them bit by bit, all right. So sometimes I'm doing something, all right, so I have videos that I'm watching at the same time. So, all right, have 2 monitors here, all right, watching videos. That will calm my nerves. Okay, so this is about live day trading using the Elliott wave principle. The currency pair that we are trading is the dollar yen, the currency pair that I call the crazy currency pair. It can be challenging to trade this currency pair. So if you are a new trader, you may decide not to trade it, but work on it. It's not my favorite currency pair, but here we are. I want to trade it today, and it has been nice to me for the first time. Okay, so with your permission, my friend, we don't want a video to be too long. As this morning I was recording the first video about live day trading using the Fibonacci butterfly pattern. I let it run. The video went up to 1 hour, I think 15 minutes. All right, so it's a long form video. Okay, so I'll try to reduce the size of this video by pausing the video as we are going along. Okay, so let's pause it for the first time. I know some traders do not like that. They mark the video down. So why did you pause it down? All right. That's okay. All right. It's okay. It's okay, my friend. It's okay. We are still friends. All the time friends. Okay. So let's pause it for the first time. All right. And I will come back to it if there is something interesting happening here You know my greedy target 10452. That's the turquoise line on the chart here. All right, my entry is the black. Oh, is it black? It's a dark gray line here at 10477. The price now 10473, which is good. Okay, I'll keep my fingers crossed, my arm crossed, my leg crossed, and hopefully everything will be good and I will get paid nicely. All right. So pausing the video for the first time after 35 minutes recording, and I will speak to you soon if there is something interesting happening here. Speak to you soon. Okay, traders, we pause the video right here. Okay, as you can see, we pause it here, and the price went up a bit, came a little bit closer to my stop loss at 10487, and then since then it's just going down. And the good news is below my entry point. That's where we want it. And we want it to continue to go down, down to the 10452, our bearish target right here. All right. Okay. So just to update you about what has happened so far. Okay. So what I will do one more time. Okay. To make sure that the video is not too long, I'll pause it one more time, and I will come back to it if there is something interesting happening here. You can see that the price now at the median line of the green channel. So if you break below it, you come to this part and near my profit target. So far so good, my friend. This is the way we want it, and we want it to be fast. Okay, very fast, and that will be beautiful for us. Okay, so let's pause it one more time and I will come back to it if there is something interesting happening here. We were talking about live day trading, applying the wave principle. Speak to you soon. The time in London is 46 minutes past 3 p.m. on the 25th of October 2016. Pausing the video for the second time after 37 minutes recording. Speak to you soon. Okay, traders, we pause the video here. As you can see, it's working beautifully. Since we have managed to escape the pressure here, and now is heading towards the target at 10452. Okay, we are now near the edge of that trend line here. It's good, it's working beautifully. We need to be aware of other traders, because some traders would like to buy on the edge of the rising channel here, though my target is a little bit below that green trend line. So we need to monitor carefully what is happening here, as the price is running a little bit fast now. So what I will do, in order to control the risk, I will move my stop loss. 6.2 is now 5.7. 6.1. I'll leave it here for now. Leave my stop loss here. So I secure some gains, moving my stop loss to 10462. We need to be aware of other traders here. If they start coming out, I may have to close my trade. The most important thing is that we have a profitable trade. All right, that's the most important thing for us. We have so far 20 pips. Okay, traders, I'm out of this trade. Okay, I'm out of this trade. I'm happy with 20 pips because there is a high chance the price may bounce a little bit here, and I don't want to waste your time. So because this video is for educational purposes only, it is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. Okay, traders, this is the end of this tutorial about live day trading, applying the Elliott wave principle. Following the trading drill, we have identified a trading setup on the 2-hour time frame. The price was at a resistance level where a bearish a Fibonacci butterfly pattern is completed. From the 2-hour time frame, we went to the 3-minute time frame to zoom into the price action. As we were doing that, we have identified 5 area waves. First wave, second wave, that is a complex second wave, which has been prolonged, talking about the time period it takes for the second wave to be completed. Then we have an extended third area wave that went above the 161.8% Fibonacci extension level of the first wave. We will expect equality between the first and the fifth wave. As you can see here, there was no equality between the first and the fifth wave. One of the reasons was that on a 2-hour time frame, professionals have identified the first butterfly pattern that was completed here, but as the price was trying to go down, it didn't go down very much. Here the price was forming the second butterfly pattern in relation to this trending first, and they don't want to waste their time anymore, and now everybody, okay, you see here, so is here retest and turn around, so you see that bullish candle, the price retesting in here. Some candlestick pattern traders would like to buy it, and also we are on the edge of that green channel. I decided to come out, okay, with my 20 pip, okay, stop loss. I leave some money on the table, which is okay, but it's very simple. Find a high probability trading setup, then we implement the Elliott wave principle on the 3-minute time frame. We draw our trend line. The price breaks below the trend line, retest it. Okay, right here, so it breaks below that blue trend line, and I was retesting here. I saw that people were selling. I set my limit order at 104.77 to sell, and I sold it using a 10 pip stop loss. At one point, I was nearly taken out of the trade because I was originally using 10 pips only, but I survived that, which was good. And now here it is going down and coming near our target at 10452. It was a profitable trade using the wave principle. I hope you have learned something from it, and I will put into use to improve your Elliott wave strategies. If you have any question or suggestion, put in a comment section. And in due course, I will be recording another live day trading to demonstrate, okay, the Elliott wave rules. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about live day trading, applying the Elliott wave principle. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon.